Hello. This is Irene with Saugatalks. I'm doing fabulously well today. As you know, because I know you're following Saugatalks, I know you subscribe to YouTube. I hope you are. If you're not, please don't waste another minute. Subscribe on YouTube, follow on Twitter, follow on LinkedIn, because I speak with fascinating people in tech. And today is my day. Prashant Natarajan is here. Hello, Prashant. How are you?
Hello, Irene. Great to be here. I'll just say for the record right away, well before this conversation, I was following Irene on YouTube, Twitter, and everything. Strongly encourage everybody does so. I would say that even if I were not on the show as a delighted guest today.
But now you are. You're part of fantastic community of business leaders, technology leaders, influencers, who's so generous with their time to share wonderful insights. If you heard or if you listen to any of Soga Talks, these are very pragmatic advices we're giving. We're really moving from the shiny objects out there that technology is evolving right now, and we're definitely excited about new developments, but there gotta be pragmatic angle to it. So, Prashant, why don't we start? We named this talk as Demystifying AI for the Enterprise. This is quite a big umbrella. I know you wrote a fantastic book on the topic. I know AI has been on business leaders, technology leaders' mind for more than decade. I should say 3 decades and beyond, right? But let's start with somewhere this year, 2022, crucial elements of demystifying AI for the enterprise today.
Thank you. Thank you, Irene. I think, as you pointed out rightly, the desire to put technology and intelligent beings that are directed by humans has been almost as old as the history or recorded history, as old as myths, as old as literature, even going back several cultures, several civilizations, several thousands of years. Our goal as a species has always been to find ways to do things better, faster, cheaper, easier. And if we can get intelligent machines to work with us and for us, how wonderful that would be. Fast forward to your point, in the last 30, 40 years, we have seen real hard efforts towards that, mostly from rules based efforts, but more recently with machine learning, with a lot of data driven effort. Why does it matter? Because, on one hand, for business leaders who want to achieve success, not just on digital transformation initiatives, but new ways by which they engage with their customers, new ways by which they engage with their own employees, new ways by which they create and leverage competitive intelligence and create new products and services. The old world of just relying on human intelligence and human biases and human frailties is not going to be good enough. The new symbiotic organization, as I posit in Demystifying AI for the Enterprise, is going to be one that brings together human decision making with machine decision making, while recognizing the pros and the cons of both, and understanding that the pros and cons can also vary quite a bit depending on the use case, depending on what we are trying to accomplish, etc. So I think it's fundamentally important for CXOs and other business leaders to be able to first understand how AI can benefit in creating this new symbiotic enterprise, symbiotic organization. Second, how to separate hype, of which there is a lot, from reality. And then once they understand what reality is, how do you build a scalable organization, scalable teams to make it happen? I believe that this new symbiotic organization is going to be humans directing AI, as opposed to the stuff of Terminator legend where AI develops a life of its own and comes after us.